Hello everyone! I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to this journey into the fascinating world of AI testing. You know, when I was preparing this first lecture, I kept thinking about how remarkable it is that we are living through one of the most exciting technological revolutions in human history, and as testers, we get to be right at the heart of it. Let me start with a question that might surprise you. What do chess computers, spam filters, and voice assistants have in common? They were all once considered cutting-edge artificial intelligence. But today, most people don't even think of them as AI anymore. This isn't a coincidence. It's a fascinating phenomenon that shapes how we understand and test AI systems. And it has a name: the AI effect. It's this curious psychological phenomenon where once an AI technology becomes commonplace and widely adopted, we stop perceiving it as artificial intelligence. It's like AI technologies graduate from being magic to being just software. I find this absolutely fascinating because it tells us something profound about human psychology and expectations. We're constantly moving the goalposts of what we consider real AI. Think about it this way. In the 1970s, the idea of a computer beating a world chess champion seemed like pure science fiction. When Deep Blue defeated Garry Kasparov in 1997, it was front-page news around the world. But today, we don't really think of chess programs as AI anymore. They're just chess programs. The same thing happened with expert systems in the 1980s. They were revolutionary, systems that could capture human expertise and make decisions. But once they became routine business tools, they stopped feeling like AI. And it's happening right now with technologies we use every day. Your email spam filter uses machine learning algorithms, but do you think of checking your email as interacting with AI? Probably not. Your phone's autocorrect learns from your typing patterns, but it just feels like a regular phone feature. So, this brings us to a crucial challenge. How do we actually define artificial intelligence when our perception of it keeps shifting? The current ISO standard gives us this definition: the capability of an engineered system to acquire, process, and apply knowledge and skills. I really appreciate this definition because it focuses on capabilities rather than trying to pin down specific technologies. It's about what the system can do, not how it does it. Now, you might be wondering, why should I, as a tester, care about this philosophical question? Here's why it's absolutely critical for us. The AI effect directly impacts how stakeholders, users, and even we ourselves approach AI testing projects. When business stakeholders hear AI project, they might think, oh, AI is everywhere now. This should be straightforward. But the reality is often much more complex. Just because recommendation systems exist doesn't mean building a new one for your specific domain is simple. The AI effect can create unrealistic expectations about timelines, complexity, and testing requirements. For us as testers, understanding the AI effect helps us set realistic expectations with stakeholders, recognize when AI functionality is actually conventional software, identify which system truly need AI-specific testing approaches, communicate effectively about the real challenges we face. Here's something I've noticed in my own work. The AI effect means our testing approaches need to evolve constantly. What seemed like cutting-edge AI testing 5 years ago might be standard software testing today. This keeps us on our toes. It means we need to stay curious, keep learning, and adapt our testing strategies as the field evolves. Let me highlight the key points you'll need to remember for your certification. The AI effect describes how AI technologies stop being perceived as AI once they become commonplace. This phenomenon influences stakeholder expectations and project planning. The current definition focuses on system capabilities, acquiring, processing, and applying knowledge and skills. Understanding the AI effect helps testers set realistic expectations and choose appropriate testing approaches. As we move forward in this course, we'll explore how this shifting landscape affects every aspect of AI testing. In our next lecture, we'll dive into the different types of AI systems and how to distinguish between them. Remember, being aware of the AI effect makes you a more effective tester. It helps you see through the hype and focus on what really matters, ensuring these systems work reliably for the people who depend on them. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I can't wait to explore this fascinating field together.